Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the PS5. PS5 capable of doing 4K at 120Hz, but keep in mind you do need a monitor and also an HDMI cable that does support that. It is HDR ready. This is how the box looks like from the outside. On the side over here you have the PlayStation logo, the controller, and the PS5. So this is how it looks in the back. It's 825 GB, which is again lesser than the Xbox One X, but what can we do? Sony decided that it has to be 825. Next gen I think should have been more, but maybe they're going to save it for the. So on the side we got contents, what's in it. So the console, the wireless controller, the base you can mount your PS5 on, HDMI cable which supports 4K at 120Hz, power cord, USB cable for the controller, printed materials, and the Astro's Playroom, the game that's already installed. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's open it up. This is how it looks like. This is what the box looks like without the packaging. Let's open it up. So this is how it looks like when you open the box. If you open the first part up, this is PS5 controller. Over here you will find the cable to charge your PS4 controller. It is a Type-C cable because it supports Type-C, but this end is USB. Your power cable, which is pretty good, no big brick. Your manuals on the side, so your PS5 manual, and then another safety guide. On this side you find the stand for the PS5. Take it out. So how the stand looks like. Okay, so this is the PS5 stand. You can keep it in multiple ways. You can keep it straight, or you can keep it lying down. This is how you keep it straight. This is the HDMI cable that does 4K at 120Hz, but like I said, you do need a monitor that supports 4K at 120Hz, and right now they're not in the market. If they are, they're really expensive. Open it here. This is the PS5 controller outside of the box. Pretty good controller, handy. Touchpad over here, triggers. This is the adaptive controller, so depending on which game you play, your triggers might get tough or soft. This is how it looks from the back. Magnetic charging. Headphone jack if you use a wired headphone, and a mic here, and your PS button. It's a good controller. I've played with it quite a bit from my PS5, and I like it. I think it's missing some things, but I'll get to it in another video. The main console over here comes with some packaging. This is the PS5 right out of the box, covered with protection. Okay, so this is the PS5 right out of the box. The main console, which you're all here for. Okay, so this is the console for the PS5. I'm just gonna take out everything. Pretty good wrapping on it. Here it is. So here is the PS. This is the disc version. You can play some PS4 games in there, or maybe you can buy a PS5 game and play it in there, but at the moment they're really expensive for some. So this is the USB, Type-C, the power button, and the disc button if you want to take your disc out. If I turn around from the side, it is a pretty good looking PlayStation 5. 2 USB ports on the back. I think this is a really good feature. I use it a lot. Plug in my USB and my USB for my headphones in there. So the front I used it for my controller. The LAN cable here, if you're gaming and for especially playing competitive games, you do need to use your LAN cable. Wi-Fi just doesn't cut it. HDMI here, so you can use the PS5 HDMI to get 4K at 120Hz or 1080p at 120Hz. Power outlet over here. Okay, so this is how it looks from the side, and I'm just going to tilt it around. How it looks from the top. Sony here, pretty sick. I really like the view. Some people might not just because it's too big, it's too bulky. It is a bit tall. Yeah, so I really like how it looks. It is pretty tall. It is pretty big. It's going to take a lot of space in your on your desk, but I think it looks really cool. It looks next gen. I don't like how the Xbox One X looks. It looks like a garbage bin, but they got everything in it, so can't complain. But this looks like a spaceship, something out of this world. But okay, so now I'm gonna plug the stand in here. I've been using the PS5 for a while. It is a pretty good console. My PS4 Pro was really loud. It was like airplane in my house, but this one's really quiet. Looks really good. Looks very sleeky, very futuristic. I like it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're here from Facebook, I'll be doing a draw tomorrow, and you can buy it.